how to apply SSS salary loan online. But before we start, please subscribe my channel. 3, 2, 1. SSS loans for the members are salary loan, calamity loans, education loan, loan restructuring program LRP. So this video tackles about salary loan, the overview of salary loan. A cash loan granted to an employed, currently paying self-employed or voluntary member. It is intended to meet the member's short-term credit needs. Who can borrow the salary loan? All currently employed, currently contributing self-employed or voluntary member. For a 1-month loan, the member borrower must have 36 posted monthly contributions, 6 of which should be within the last 12 months prior to the month of filing application. For a 2-month loan, the member borrower must have 72 posted monthly contributions, 6 of which should be within the last 12 months prior to the month of filing of application. The member whose employer must be updated in the payment of contributions. The member has not been granted final benefits X, total retirement disability or retirement and death. The member must be under 65 years of age at the time of application. The member has not been disqualified due to fraud committed against the SSS. Deadline of payment. Schedule of payment. Please read the table schedule. Reminder: the loan shall be payable within 2 years in 24 monthly installment. Please pay on or before the monthly due date so that no interest and penalties may incur. The loan have an interest rate of 10% per annum, and this is pro-rated interest from the date of loan granting up to the end of the month prior to first amortization shall be deducted from the loan. Pro-rated interest is labeled advanced interest. Aggregate unpaid obligation equivalent more than 6 monthly amortization shall result to loan default. The full loan shall become due and demandable. A defaulted account is subject to 10% interest per annum charged on the outstanding principal balance and 1% penalty per month on unpaid principal and interest until fully paid. I will upload on next vlog how to solve SSS unpaid loan, but for now I will show you how to apply SSS loan. Due COVID-19 pandemic, salary loan application may be filed at my SSS account through the SSS website at www.sss.gov.ph and SSS mobile app. Just download the apps. On web registration of my SSS account, please watch my previous video on how to register SSS online. On salary loan application, first go to Google. On search tab type www.sss.gov.ph and on SSS home webpage click the box for the CAPTCHA to determine that you are not a robot and submit. In left side of the page you can see the portal. Click member. Member login appears. Type your user ID. Then enter your password. Click the box for I'm not a robot. Then submit. After clicking submit, you are entering the member page. In member page you can see the member information, inquiry, e-services and payment reference number PRN. Click e-service. In clicking e-service, drop-down list appear and click apply salary loan. To proceed with your loan application, please follow below steps. Step 1. To receive credit your loan proceeds to your bank account, please choose your preferred electronic loan disbursements below and click here to supply necessary details. Click this blue reminders appear and click the box to certify that you understood THR account enrollment. Click proceed. Then fill up the enrollment form for disbursement account. Enter per bank account details. Mobile number. Take note it should be active account. Click the drop-down list and select the bank you preferred. Enter your mobile number. Then retype the mobile number to confirm. Attach supporting documents. Click Document Type. Drop-down list appears. Then select one of the following: passbook, ATM card, validated deposit slip, bank certificate, and e-wallet screenshot of mobile app account. Choose File, then Upload. Remember, attach readable colored images in JPG or PDF format. Maximum file size is 1 MB. Read below and click the box to certify that everything you entered are true, correct to the best of your knowledge, and confirm that you are valid owner and active bank account. Then click Enroll Disbursement Account. PASONET Participating Bank. E-wallet should be active. PASONET accredited banks under borrower's name. Joint account is not acceptable. Or SSS issued UBP Quick Card. To avail the free card, please click here to the list of branches where you can avail. Choose which branch you want. Avail the free card. Reminders to SSS members that nomination of invalid, incorrect account number, closed account, and dormant account will result to unsuccessful crediting of your loan proceeds and shall be subject for cancellation of approved loan. Hence, a resubmission of a new loan application be required. Disbursement through check is no longer available. Please supply your preferred bank account through the link above. Once disbursement enrollment approved, you can proceed to apply SSS salary loan. Go back to e-services. Select Apply for salary loan. Select the preferred loan amount and choose the preferred bank account to which the loan will be disbursed. Then tick the box I agree to the terms and conditions. Click Submit, then confirmation page will be displayed. Click Proceed to confirm and transaction number will appear on the screen. Salary loan confirmation will be sent to the member's registered email. If employed member, you will wait employer's certification. So it also needs employers registered on web registration so they can certify employees' SSS salary loan application. Here are the steps on how employers certify their employees' SSS salary application. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. I am not SSS employee. All statements in this video are from SSS. You can visit their website at www.sss.gov.ph for more information. Don't forget to subscribe my members, second family.
Sssonline,
Judy and Maui. Imelda Dumlao.
Bolin mo ko vlog.
Super thanks to